Trying to build a custom fiberglass console for my 97 Chevrolet or Silverado. This console come out of a 2006 Suburban, and I'm modifying it to fit. So I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, but this is the way I'm starting out. I should have took videos when I started, but I didn't do it. So I'm hot gluing up the cardboard template I made. So when I get done, I can fiberglass. I still got to go from here to here with some more cardboard because it doesn't fit flush on the ground. But it's, I'll show you, it's going in my 97 Chevrolet / GMC. So I like the GMC grill. That's how it came when I bought it. Here's the seats that were in the front, the original seats. Well, not original, because somebody had jerry-rigged stuff on it. Center console and then, but these Suburban bench bucket seats are going in there. I'll have to get them redone, but they're all power seats, and I'm gonna make them fit inside my truck, which is a rare truck because it's a 97 crew cab, short wheelbase, 2-wheel drive. Only seen one other like it on YouTube, and he doesn't make videos of it very often. That I gotta fix the blinker switch. I want to move the AC controls, the window controls to the center console. Here's the cup holder. Any ideas? The radio is going to go down here in the center console. Not sure what to do with this. This had AC controls in it. Here's the... Oh no, it had radio controls. Oh, well, we don't need that broken stuff. But here's the back seat out of the same car. And I want to do fiberglass door panels. I was thinking of moving the shifter to the console, but I'm not sure. Needs a custom dash. I'm gonna redo the dash one day. It's got some kind of, it's broke and it's got some kind of goo. The guy didn't take care of it very well. That's where the cigarette lighters was, but they don't work. These door panels, we're doing all the switches work. The door locks work, but the switch doesn't. The switch works, but they won't lock, if that makes sense. And all these from Chevrolet, all these are broke. I don't know why Chevrolet made such a weak door panel. Used to be white with a purple stripe and gray, which probably looks good. Stock wheels, which used to be rust colored, which need to be cleaned up and repainted, looks like. It's got a 350. I'll show you. .350 Vortec. I just took the Vortec box off and capped it with a paint deal. I don't know if that'll work. It seems to be working. I had to redo these because they broke. They were side posts. The side post I converted into top. I've cleaned it up a lot. I should have took videos of it when I was power washing the goo off of it. It's thick, nasty goo. I want to do custom hood. I started trying to repair this grill, but I didn't realize it was broke down here. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry for the video. It's talking fast. Sorry for the video quality. It's on my phone, which is a Note 8. It's broke down there. Somebody had like red flashers, strobers, where the clear corners go, where the corner lights go. My bumper has a dent. I'd like to put a roll pan on it with a hideaway hitch. Oh, I got... Move my saw. I was just trying to do that earlier. I can't see it. I have custom dual exhaust that I personally put on, which are 40 series Flowmaster, supposedly, but they're super quiet. I mean super quiet. Here's the, what are those? Alltech lowering shackles. Time for some new tires. This is where somebody put weird red little lights in it. I want to smooth the tailgate. Fix all these dents. And it kind of bows in the middle. But when you get under here, I don't know if you can see where the factory weld is for when they cut the frame and re-welded it. Well, the company that did it for Chevrolet didn't do it correctly. So the frame is a little weak, so it sits. I don't know if you can tell from this angle, but it bows a little bit between the cab and the bed. But that's her. I got any ideas, plans, any ideas will be appreciated. I want it to be different than any Chevrolet that's on the road. So I don't know what you guys think. If you'd like to see more videos of it, or it would be, leave a comment down in the comment area. I'm not good at talking on the camera, sorry guys. But that's her. Hope you enjoy.